Hello everyone, this is my introduction video for MIT 806. My name is Kelly Rose. A little bit about me, I'm a third grade teacher in the Shawnee Mission School District, which is a larger district in the Kansas City area. It's located in Overland Park, Kansas. I received my undergrad from Emporia State University in 2013, and I just finished my 6th year of teaching, my 4th year in third grade. I've taught 2nd and 4th as well. At our school and in our district, we have iPads one-to-one at the elementary level and MacBooks in the middle and high school level. My strengths and weaknesses. Some of my strengths include just having a desire to learn and grow in all areas of my life. I'm very open to trying new things, and I tend to pick up on things quickly, especially pertaining to technology. My weaknesses, I tend to stick with what I know. I get comfortable. I like to try new things, but I usually go back to what I know and what I'm good at. And I'm also somewhat of a procrastinator. My goals for this class and for this degree is just to integrate more technology into my classroom more effectively, not just using it as a practice tool. And then also finding and utilizing enrichment and additional resource activities, hitting the kids that are really high and the kids that need a little extra push, using technology as well in that area. And then doing more STEM project-based learning activities in my classroom. I'm excited to work with all of you this very short semester. Good luck.